everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you how to install Magis TV on your Firestick. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to install Magis TV. So based on the latest 2025, here are the steps. You want to enable apps from unknown sources. So from the Firestick home screen, you want to navigate to your settings, tap in My Fire TV, then go to developer options. After that, you want to enable apps from unknown sources to allow side loading apps. Next is to install the downloader app. You want to go to find, then go search, type downloader and install it from the Amazon App Store. Any downloader will do. Launch the downloader app and grant any requested permission. After that, you want to download and install the Magis TV application. Open your downloader and enter the official Magis TV application URL. Tap Go to download the application, then once downloaded, choose Install when prompted. After installation, select Done and delete the application to free up space, your choice. Next is to launch the Magis TV from your Firestick. You want to return to your Firestick's home screen and then go to your applications and channels. Select Magis TV and open it to start streaming. That is all, and here are some key considerations and best practices when using the Magis TV. Use a VPN for privacy, correct legal and safety implications, and update and maintenance for your own good. That's all.